Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Atif Khan, and today my presentation in the subject of operating system. My roll number in 103 section B and program based IT and current semester is 5. And my topic is first come first serve scheduling FCFS. It is also known as non-preemptive. Non-preemptive mean and the CPU and first process come into the CPU and the CPU will execute that the first process, then go to the next process. This is called the non-preemptive and first come first serve scheduling. Now I am going to the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart I will solve according to the given question process arrival time bus time. P1 mean process 1 and P2 process 2. It depends upon the starting point. If the start point P4, so the starting point is P4. So arrival time mean enter time and bus time mean execution time. Okay. Now I'm here in the Gantt chart P1. It is 0. Because it is directly entered to the ready queue. P1 could not wait for the ready queue, but it is directly entered to the ready queue. But this is the 0, and also it is starting from the 0. But P1 arrival time 0, it is a starting point, and bus time it takes 8 millisecond in execution. Okay. P2 arrival time 2 and bus time is 6. Now see here P1 is 0 and to P2 is 8 because the process 1 execution time is 8. Now here we write 8. And P2 starting is 2 arrival time and the execution time is 6. Now 8 and 6 we have plus with each other. Now the answer is 14. Now this is the place for P2 execution 14. P3 starting is 14. Now we are see P3 arrival time 4 and the bus time execution time is 2. Now we are adding 2 with 14. The answer is 16. Now the P4 starting is 16. Now we are see in the P4 it is arrival time 6 and the bus time is 6. Now we are adding 16 with 6. Now the destination and the arrival in the execution time is 22. It is go to the running state. Now we are looking for the waiting time for P1, P2, P3, P4. Waiting time it depends and it is starting from the arrival time starting point. Okay, starting place. P1 is waiting 0 millisecond because I have already discussed that the P1 directly enters to the ready queue. He does not waiting but directly enter to the ready queue. So it is 0 millisecond and P4 and P2 8 millisecond because P2 is waiting 8 millisecond per entering to the process means CPU. So P2 8 millisecond and now P3 14 millisecond and waiting time for 4 it is 16 millisecond I have already discussed waiting time. It is mentioned in, it is depend on the starting point. Now, so the before, it is starting point, it is starting place is 40 16. Okay, now we are looking for the average waiting time for these four processes. Okay, now the first process was 0, the second was 8, the third was 14, and the last one is 16. These four processes add with each other and divide in the 1 2 3 4. It depends upon the process. So now here are four processes. So these we are divided into 4. The answer is 9.5 milliseconds. Now the average waiting time for these processes is 9.5 milliseconds. Now, so that was all about the first come first serve scheduling algorithms. Thank you.